counterclockwise to open the sterilizer door. Carefully pour distilled water into the pot, ensuring it completely covers the heating pipe and aligns with the upper edge of the pot's baffle. Connect the steam exhaust pipe located at the rear of the equipment to a sewage disposal point. Arrange the items to be disinfected inside the instrument tray, leaving gaps to prevent them from touching. Rotate the door handle clockwise to secure the door. Once the screen displays a steady green door control light, give it a final slight twist. Press the settings button to switch to either the 121-degree program for 20 minutes or the 134-degree program for 4 minutes. Once selected, press the start button to initiate the cycle. When the program is complete, a beep will sound to remind you to open the door and remove the items. Note, it is strictly prohibited to open the drainage valve during the entire operation.